The girl where they promise 20,000 naira on the name of make she give pikin bleach. Okay, for my fellow Ghanaians, now they call am power zone, hypo, hair, all the, any name wey you know, and that thing where they use wash white cloth, make it white wear. Yes, they pay this nanny. They say she dey work for the pikin mama because she always dey busy. Now so they come put am there. So yeah, they take care of this pikin. My people, my people. Make I call una again. My people, 20,000 naira na wetin dey give this girl. Person from outside. I no know wetin be the. I no know whether the person get issue with the baby mama o. I no just know, but my people dey gather. They call this girl. They come strategize. They even sit down. They discuss. Say, oh yeah, if you do this thing, I will give you 20,000. Ah, sorry, I forget. My fellow Canadians, not mind me. The 20,000 naira na around if I know the mistake, or maybe like 180 cedis or 200 cedis. That kind amount to keep person pikin, to give am hypo, make it drink. I bring am come. Una know say this kind matter no dey pass me by, so I won't make una. Which English I won't use, but anyhow, shall use your eyes, use your ears to listen to everything very well. Join me, make we watch the video.
Kenya ba fa. Me so mo ni. Won daga. From where? From Obahoda. Kenya ngila won aji. Kedi yin mere won. Inyere ya. Inyere ya. Aipo. Aipo inyere ya ko den do ko nwa anwo. Eso ko nwa anwo. Kedu onye nyere gị hypo jenye? Chisom. Chisom onye ebe? Chisom onye Obahoda. Ka ebe Chisom anọ na? Ọ pụrụ apụ. Mgbe Chisom nyere gị hypo, gịnị ka o kwere gị? Ka ihe ọ gwara gị ya ga-enye gị? Ego ole? 20 gịnị? 20,000. Onye gị 20,000 ka inye nwa hypo ọnwụ. Assignment agwụ. Onwe ihe ngịla nwa na-azụ? Ngịla mmụ ya ọma. Ngịla mmụ ya ama. Mma nwatala Chisom ahụ ọ bụ okenye jikọrọ ha ahụ. O mee ihe jikọrọ ha ahụ. Okay. And he decided to keep going. Mmadụ ole ka eji igwere gị mee ọdị ya? It is sure. It is sure. Ọ bụ eziokwu because o nwere gbara anyị na onwe onye ka igburu before. Chisom anya kwara gị je enyi. Ị ma be Chisom ahụ? I just know ya boy and Chisom. Okay.
Hey! Chineke. Because of 20,000. Now person deliberately carry person life and down. Bam. See forehead like puff puff wey no fry well. You carry, I don't understand. Wetin be 20,000? How long you want use? No. If na 200k sef, we fit start dey discuss. If it's 200k, we can start discussing. If it's 2 million, we can continue the discussion. 20,000. In fact, no amount of money sef is even enough for make person just carry person life. True, my people, this world is coming to an end. No, this world, the only thing wey still dey keep us like this, na just God in grace. This world don finish. Just imagine. No, I no wan make una just dey hear this matter because I dey talk am. Like I wan make una imagine. Hypo, power zone. You pour am inside baby cup, that their cup wey they dey use drink water, pour am, then give baby make drink. Jesus Christ. My people, I don't know, but in fact, I am tired. 20k way before you close eye, open am, e don finish. How many things you even want buy? Wetin you go use that money do? Parents. Parents. No, una dey hear. If I come outside, they tell una say, make plans, take care of your children by yourself. I don't know, strategize or do something. Una go dey think say I just dey feel like to talk. Una dey see. Na person mama be this. We go hire nanny. He put am there. He do better. When it comes to see, if we dey talk about taking care of your children, I no just know, but abeg, I go happy if una fit dey in charge by una sef, because nobody to trust. Nobody to trust. I for say, oh yeah, why not your family member? Yeah, family member sef, in fact, those ones, they do worse than this one. To get nanny now, or to get house help, or I no know, now like one tragedy. If you no dey careful, e like if God no dey involve as you dey choose house girl or nanny now, you go just dey dig your ground by yourself. This world wey we live, wicked people don full inside. The world now don become wicked. Abeg, make una shine una eyes. Hey, Jesus. For una wey dey ask, thank God say the pikin die. You know wetin be hypo? Just do like this, taste am. If they no rush you immediately, you just die. Then imagine the pikin drink am. Baby wey immune system sef never strong. So how that pikin wan survive this kind thing? Girls wey una just dey pick. Some people, see, na this one even dey pay me. Some people no even need house girl. Some people na just laziness. Una no need am. Some of una know una say una no even need am. You no be say you dey go work, no be say you dey do anything, you no dey busy. Na just to sit down cross leg, hold remote control, dey press TV. Na the only thing wey they dey do, but still you go see dey get house help. I no know how una wan do am, but una need to dey very, very careful. Now, why see, if una ask me, if una fit get chance to run una business by una sef, e go better. That way, you know, say now you employ yourself, you get time to do anything wey you wan do. I don't know, but anyhow, I feel they wrong, but I just they look for ways. You understand? I just they look for ways where we feel just because my people things are becoming. If I say toxic self na understatement. Things are becoming devilish. Now, person pikin just die. Just imagine, wetin the mother go come do now? You will start afresh. What if this one said na the only pikin? We are no know. What if this one said na the only chance we God give her, we she go born? We no know. Now, why una need dey very, very careful. And as for this girl, hey, I don't want to know whether they ask you. I don't want to know whether they send you message. But you see this girl, you gonna drink that thing? Hey, that hypo, 10 bottles. You have to taste it. You they give innocent pikin. Now they talk enemies. This pikin now, which enemy he gets? Okay, maybe the mother. The mother is standing. You go drink am. But anyhow, I don't know whether now the conclusion where they conclude, but now for here una go see here because now we dey on this matter and we dey waiting the gas talk now. Whether they go arrest am, whether they go punish her, we never know wetin they conclude. But now for here una go hear am. I repeat, now for here una go hear am. Now why una need dey updated anytime, and how una go dey updated if you no click on that thing? I dey wonder self. My people, now the matter be this. Make the comment start the roll, and yes, una go soon get new TV presenter for this platform. I no wan stress una again. Before I dey tell una, think, just guess, she's from this, she's from that. Make una relax on the nerves. Now from here, una go see am live on Friday. Yes, so make una just stay tuned. And now one I need click on that notification bell. If not, una go miss everything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.